Hi, my name is Bhavesh Soni. I come from Madhya Pradesh. I came to Jspiders through incubation from my college, that is IBS Academy. I recently completed Masters in Computer Application in 2024 batch, and I opted for months track batch here, months track course. The trainers were Sayed sir, Vivek sir, and Harsha sir. Sayed sir helped me in understanding complete months track, and the basics and the foundations were done by Vivek sir. For the DSA part, it was done by Harsha sir. The trainers did everything well. They provided real world examples and projects to help us learn and understand the concepts.